Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: a working microphone and Word open. First, place the cursor where you want text, then click Home and select Dictate. Make sure Windows or Mac OS privacy permits microphone access. Without that, Word can't hear you. Choose the correct language so recognition matches your accent, and briefly speak a test sentence to confirm levels. Once done, adjust mic position for consistent volume, and you're ready to start speaking naturally into the document. Now begin dictating full sentences and speak punctuation words like comma and period so Word places marks correctly. Use short phrases and pause occasionally to let the transcription catch up. This reduces errors and keeps flow natural. If you make a mistake, stop and say the correction clearly, or select the phrase with your mouse and redictate. Enable auto-punctuation if you want AI to insert commas and periods, but make sure to watch for misinterpreted words and adjust your cadence for better accuracy. To finish, stop dictate and proofread your document carefully. Listening back or using read aloud helps catch errors. Save and back up the file, then turn off dictate to prevent accidental input. If recognition drops or produces gibberish, check the microphone connection, test another app to confirm audio, verify your language selection, and ensure a stable internet connection if cloud processing is used. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart Word after changing mic or language settings to force a fresh recognition session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.